Did you know that not all 2025 cars are created equal? And some could cost you thousands in repairs, depreciation, or regret. I've got a list of 7 vehicles you should avoid this year, and more importantly, I'll show you what to buy instead. Let's save your wallet, your time, and your sanity. But first, if you're thinking about buying a new car this year, hold up. Before you head to the dealership, make sure you grab my new car buying guide. It's a step-by-step practical guide I put together after reviewing hundreds of vehicles and seeing what actually works for buyers in the real world. Inside, I walk you through how to choose the right car, inspect it at the dealership, avoid financing traps, and negotiate with confidence. It's simple and straight to the point. If this guide helps you save even $500 at the dealership, it's already paid for itself. You can download it now by clicking the link in the description below. Nissan's midsize sedan, the Altima, continues to hang around, but it kind of feels like it's just coasting now. The biggest red flag, the CVT. It's been one of the most complained about features in owner forums for years, and it still hasn't been meaningfully overhauled. Combine that with ho-hum safety scores and outdated tech is just not a great value in 2025. What to get instead? Well, here it is, the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. You'll get fantastic fuel economy, a smoother driving experience, and one of the best warranties in the business. The Chevrolet Trax might be tempting for those first-time buyers with its low sticker price, but don't be fooled. The base model lacks key safety features. It's underpowered, and the ride quality leaves a lot to be desired. This is a classic example of you get what you pay for, and in this case, you're paying for less. Want something more dialed in? I suggest the Honda HR-V, the EXL more specifically. It's more refined, safer, and holds its value better than the Trax. Next, the Toyota Tundra, the iForce Max Hybrid. Yes, I said Toyota. I know. Hear me out though. This isn't about Toyota as a whole, it's about this specific hybrid setup. The iForce Max has had a rocky start. Early owners are reporting software glitches, inconsistent fuel economy, and some real hesitation in the power delivery. If you're towing or hauling, that turbo lag could be a deal breaker. Alternative, the Ram 1500 with the standard V8. It's smooth, strong, and has a much more proven track record when it comes to powertrain reliability. The Escape is quickly becoming Ford's forgotten child. While other models are getting updates and new technology, the Escape is still riding on an older design that feels a step behind. It's also lagging in resale value. Not great news if you're planning to trade it in within 3 to 5 years. What's smarter? Go for the Kia Sportage Hybrid, great miles per gallon, bold styling, and Kia's 10-year powertrain warranty. Now this one's tricky because on the surface, the Volkswagen Tiguan looks premium, but dig a little deeper and you'll find issues. Volkswagen's DSG transmission can be jerky in traffic, and the electrical gremlins, still a thing. Infotainment hiccups, phantom check engine lights, all of it adds up to higher ownership costs. So swap it for a Subaru Forester. It may not be flashy, but it's reliable, fuel efficient, and rock solid in all weather conditions. Now here's the thing, I love a good V8 as much as the next guy, but the Durango is dated, the platform is heavy, the miles per gallon terrible, and the safety scores are falling behind competitors. It's a muscle car trying to be a family SUV, and it's showing its age. What to get instead? I recommend the Toyota Grand Highlander. More interior space, smoother ride, far better fuel economy, and it won't feel like you're dragging a brick uphill every time you hit the gas. Before you even test drive one of these, check real-time pricing at quotes.everymandriver.com. Thousands of smart buyers use it every day to get the best deal from local dealerships. It's the fastest way to the cheapest price, and it's free. You could save hundreds, even thousands of dollars just by checking it out. That's quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and drop me a comment. What car are you avoiding in 2025? Or what burned you in the past? Let me and the viewers know in the comment section below.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video.